Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to remove My AI from Snapchat. First of all, tap open Snapchat. After opening, you'll be in a Snapchat homepage, something like this. Then you can see chat icon in the lower menu bar. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you can see your friend's chat list and you can see My AI on the top of your page. If you long press on any one of your friend, then a menu something like this will pop up. If you tap on Manage Friendships, you can even remove a friend or block or report. But it's not the same with My AI. If you do the same process with My AI and tap on Manage Friendship, you cannot see the remove option. Take a screenshot of this. Then you can see your profile icon in the left upper corner. Tap on that. Then you'll be on your Snapchat profile page. Then you can see settings on the right upper corner. Tap on that. After tapping, you have to scroll down until you find feedback. And on the feedback option, you can see I have a suggestion on the second option. Tap on that. After tapping, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Then you can give any feedback to Snapchat. In our case, we'll select the Snapchat Plus option. After tapping on that, we'll be in a page interface something like this. Tap on Choose Topic, then you can select using Snapchat Plus features by tapping on the circle besides it. Then you can write your problem that you cannot remove AI from a Snapchat and you rather remove it. Then you can even add your attachment by putting the screenshot you took previously. You can simply do that by tapping on Add Attachment and Add Screenshot. Then finally, you have to tap on Submit and your feedback will be submitted and you will have to wait for the email of Snapchat and do what the email says. So this is it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.